Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Back at Jimmy John's. They've got their summer wraps out right now, so I wanted to try one of them. The one that I got is the Thai chicken wrap. I really like the thought of this. I love Thai food. I love Thai food. Oh, look at this, double wrapped. Oh no, well, I see what they're doing. Okay. Alright. Oh boy. So what we have here, we've got chicken. We have, and it's a Thai sauté sauce. We have carrot noodles. Thought that was interesting. Carrot noodles are in here. Cucumbers, lettuce. I don't know if it's. Oh, look at this. Oh boy. It's going to be a saucy one. Let's get full preparation here. Let's get full preparation for this slop fest. It's a pretty good first bite. So the Thai sauté sauce, I'm getting a very Thai peanut sauce type flavor from it. Yeah, no tomato in there. Maybe lettuce and onion. It's a good wrap. Oh boy. It's got a juicy bottom, that's for sure. Making a mess here. Okay. So the peanut sauce is nice. I like the freshness of the lettuce, the cucumber. I like the cold chicken. This is a good wrap. Will I get it again? It's possible. 6 out of 10 flushes. You saw it right. You heard it right. Now tell me how wrong it is. P.S. Tell somebody you love them.